Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. If you're using App Store or iTunes that you're facing the issue that your account has been disabled, so let's see how can you fix that. Now to fix your issue, you have to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. To contact, you have to check some settings before. You have to make sure that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. And you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find a connected VPN, then you have to disconnect with that, and after that you just have to go for Apple Support app, or you can use Apple Support web. Select your iPhone, select subscriptions or purchases, and from here you can select any option from here. This in my case I'm going to select unable to purchase, and you just have to select the option of get more help. Select call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there so your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.